I'm sure you enjoyed the previous class. Now, welcome to the new one. Now, waking up in the morning, I held my cell phone to check up the time, pinned sticky notes on the wall as a reminder for my daily activities, pressed my clothes with an iron, and I walked from the bed to the restroom. What kept my phone from sleeping when I held it? What kept my sticky notes on the wall? What made the iron press the clothes and not just slide over it? What made me not sleep while walking in my room? Can you also make an intelligent guess? It is also friction, a force that opposes intended or relative motion. When it exists between a stationary object and a surface on which it's resting, like my sticky notes on the wall and my cell phone on my hands, it is called static friction. When it exists between two surfaces in relative motion, like my iron moving on my clothes and my legs walking on the ground in my room, it is called kinetic friction. That's interesting. Today, we have learned that static friction is that which exists between a stationary object and the surface on which it is resting. The maximum value of static friction is called limiting friction. It is a self-adjusting force and adjusts itself to match the applied force till it is overcome. Examples include hats on our head, stick notes on the wall, a bottle of water held up in our hands, a car parked on a hill, etc. Also, kinetic friction is that which comes into play between two surfaces when one body moves on the surface of the other body. Examples include walking on the ground, driving a car on the road, using an iron on our clothes, or a car moving on a hill, etc. I'm sure you enjoyed the class. I'll see you in the next one.